Hello and welcome to this video tour of number 3 Rothwell Gardens here in North Woodley. What we have here is a detached bungalow, 2 bedrooms with 2 bathrooms, and it also has been extended on the rear, so we also have a dining room in addition to the main lounge. So first of all, I'm just going to show you the location. So we are in a cul-de-sac here. That's the way to enter the cul-de-sac. It comes off Uppingham Drive, and then if I spin round the other way, just around the corner we hit the hammerhead, and that's where the cul-de-sac ends. So it's a quiet location but very close to amenities, quite an easy walk down to some shops. The buses are around the corner as well, and also we've got parks and other facilities close by. So let's now focus on the bungalow itself. You can see the driveway leading to the garage here. We can't quite see the bungalow that well because of all the greenery. The front garden has been landscaped, as you can see. It's kind of like a low maintenance design, whilst there are lots of bushes, ornate conifers, all very nice, but no lawn to cut. So let's just make our way through. Then we've got this other section here which is very similar, that's alongside this path which takes you through to the front door. So now this is the bungalow. Let's try and give you an idea of just what we have. There is a side access just in the corner there. I'm just going to turn around and just show you how well screened from the actual road we are. So we're now in the entrance hall. You can see the front door there. It's an L-shaped entrance hall, as you can see. At the end there we've got storage cupboards. I'll show you this in a moment. But for the moment I'm just going to turn around and show you the lounge. So front aspect window with a nice bay. That's a UPVC double glazed sealed unit window, and as previously mentioned, well screened from the road, very nice aspect. And we've got a focal point there with the fireplace surround. This is a really nice sized lounge, if I'm honest. Originally this would have been the lounge diner, but obviously with the extension that's been put on the back, we've now got a separate dining room. Just to give you another angle. So whilst we've got UPVC double glaze windows, we've also got radiator central heating, gas fired. So through this archway into the dining room, this is also quite a good sized room. So this obviously overlooks the back garden, windows literally full width, and then over to my right there in front of us now we've got the sliding patio doors into the garden. So really good size dining room. And then I'm just going to walk around here because this opens into the kitchen. Feels almost like a kitchen diner. Quite a few units, as you can see, base units, eye level units, and over that side as well. Just a small island unit there with a breakfast bar. I am just going to point out here the boiler, because the boiler is approximately 3 years old. So that's quite a nice feature of the house, quite a new boiler. Now I'm just going to make my way back through this door into the hallway, so we've kind of gone full circle. Let me just point to the right and show you that's the door going into the lounge. So let's focus on the bedrooms first of all. So let's take you into this bedroom. Double room. As you can probably see at the far left hand side there, we've got wall-to-wall built-in wardrobes, front aspect window, nice wood effect flooring, and interestingly to my right here we have a door taking you into the, well, it's not officially an ensuite, it's what we call a Jack and Jill bathroom, because you can access this bathroom from the main hallway as well. You've got the panelled bath there. There's the level WC and the pedestal wash basin. So we've got a front aspect window, and this door here is the door, let me just show you, that takes you back into the main entrance hall. So whilst it's got the ensuite feel, it also can be used as access from the main hallway. So that's 1 bedroom and bathroom. And then if I then turn right here, this bedroom, which is at the back of the house, back of the bungalow I should say, has built-in wardrobes, there you can see, overhead, cupboards, another wardrobe in the corner. This one has sliding patio doors onto the garden, being as it's at the back, but also this one has an ensuite. So this is only approachable from this bedroom. It's an ensuite shower with, as you can see, a very big shower cubicle and the low-level WC and the wash basin with vanity cupboards, or a vanity cupboard under. You've got the mirror on the back there, and then a window to the right. So very nice refitted ensuite shower toilet. Okay, and now let me take you back into the hallway. So we've seen 2 bedrooms, we've seen both the bathrooms. In the hallway here, we've got this storage cupboard on my right immediately, and then another double-sized storage cupboard, so good storage. And just in the hallway here, pointing upwards, we've got access to the loft space, fitted loft ladder, and also boarding as well. So that's the bungalow. Let's now show you the garden. The current owner is clearly a very keen gardener, because this is a lovely garden. Start really by showing you this. This is AstroTurf, this area here. Lovely little sitting area, as you can see. Certainly picked a nice day to do this video. It's a very beautiful day and makes for a very pretty garden. Let's show you the garden. There's little tiny fish ponds just here, as you can see. This path takes you down towards another little sitting area, and I call this the secret bit because in the corner this is a covered little sort of patio area. Again, AstroTurf finish, but perfect for tucking yourself under when it's starting to rain maybe. And another little patio area just there. So again, you'll notice with this garden there's no lawn, but lovely landscaped areas. Let's show you this area here. And then over this side, a bench tucked in there. And I'm just going to go around the corner just to show you the side access, which takes you through to the front. Not overlooked, as you can see. So pretty garden and very private. So that just about brings us to the end of the tour of this property. If you'd like to know more details, give us a call. Numbers on the website. My name is Gary. Do ask to speak to myself. I'm sure I can answer those questions. Alternatively, if you'd like to book a viewing, then again, it's the same number. So it just remains to say thank you for watching.